In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image. This is how the scene looks like. I have only modeled 2 meshes, and used a plane along with quite a number of point lights to create the scene. The 2 base meshes were duplicated, scaled, and rotated to give an illusion of having quite a few unique meshes in the scene. These are the 2 base meshes I have modeled. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. We can bevel the curve to create the first base mesh. The second base mesh can be created from a mesh plane, or from an extruded curve. The idea is to create a diamond shape, and extruding that object as a mesh. Once we add array and curve modifiers, the end result will look similar to the first base mesh, but it will have sharp edges. We can create a new curve, or use the first base mesh's curve like this. Please convert the object to mesh, extrude it a bit, and add the modifiers to create a snake-like mesh. Now that the mesh creation is done, we can duplicate, scale, and rotate the meshes like this. On my prototype scene, the second base mesh was proportionally rotated on the Z-axis to give an illusion of mesh being twisted. Then I added a plane, and quite a few point lights with different colors to complete the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.